ampalaya, tsaka shiitake mushroom. And egg for breakfast. Healthy breakfast.
Building up a dream for the family. Sharing all the sights and the sweetest recipes. Spreading out the love to the community. In every single dish and whatever.
So, cut machine siya dito sa gitna. Then, tanggalin natin yung seeds. Breakfast was ito bagong gising ako, guys. Ito na. Ang palaya natin. Done. Siwain din natin yung mushroom. So, ito na. May shiitake mushroom na. Then, 5 eggs. Ilalagay tayo ng oil. Kahit anong oil, guys. Garlic. Then, onion. Then, ampalaya. Isabay ko na yung mushroom. Diba? Healthy living. Then, maglalagay lang tayo ng kahit anong herb seasoning na makikita niyo sa kitchen nyo. Tapos, garlic powder, black pepper, anting black pepper lang. Then, salt. Tapos, mix natin. So, lumabas na yung juice ng mushroom at saka ng ampalaya. Now, ilalagay na natin yung egg. Egg. Pagkalagay ng egg, hayaan nyo lang muna. Huwag nyo muna siya agad i-mix para mas buo. Mamaya na siya i-mix para mas buo onti yung egg. Yan, medyo buo na yung egg. So, ngayon i-mix na natin. Mix. Ayan o. Kita nyo, buo yung egg. Para mas... Ayan o. Then, mix nyo lang. Then, mag-add ulit ako ng healthy seasoning. At yung nilagay ko, ano siya, mix seasoning lang siya na makikita yung sa kitchen nyo. Basta wala MSG ha. Tapos, black pepper ulit. Garlic powder ulit. And, onting black pepper. Onting black pepper. Ayan. Then, mix natin. So, tapos na. Ito na yung ampalaya at saka shiitake mushroom.